Evening all. It's a warm night and we've got a big old delivery from Sainsbury's to take over to Brownsea Road. So this is heavy. So I am going to take it easy. So like I said, this customer is up on Brownsea Road and they've given me the code for their gate. So that's good, isn't it? So I'm just adjusting my straps. Okay, no cars means good. Before I came out, I was contemplating on whether I needed to wear my padded shorts or not. I'm bloody glad I did now, because these bumps in the road certainly what do you separate the men from the boys, or the man from the boys, when you got a weight on your back. I hate to bang on about it, but that's what this is all about, isn't it? Okay, I ain't doing any of that. Map seems to be taking me on a merry dance. You can always tell when things are a bit tough, because I'm going to say, too busy breathing. Alright, see what we can do with these straps. Oh Christ. It's like, I wonder if I tuck them under my sternum strap. This is what I'm doing now, riding no-handed like a bully boy. Cheers. Cheers. Still looking for dolphins. Maps recalculating. It's telling me I had 11 minutes to go just now. This is a 14-minute ride. It's so funny how these big deliveries, heavy ones, are always long. 8 minutes, hang on. Oh, I've taken a better route. I'll readjust my straps when I get to the road, I think. I reckon it would be easy to tame these crows. Come down and sit on one of these benches with something nice for them to eat. Look at them. Beach combing. Look, wheel spinning. Ooh, Killy. He's alright, good boy. I mean, I love my dogs and I'm laughing that off, but I could do without that. Dog wash. What if they do cars? Yeah, I'm going to have to adjust my straps again. Just here, I think. See that rock? That's got my foot on it. There. Just something like that. Oh. Oh. Am I hamming this up? Am I hamming this up? I don't think I am. What a difference it makes having a tight rucksack though. That looks like cheating, doesn't it? Get the dog to pull you along. I really need some new riding shorts. There are more holes in them than there are shorts. I think Steph said something like they're like held together with goodwill and a sick sense of humour. They're like mother-in-law jokes. Just holding them together. Of course, there's a hole right in the most important place. Let's just say the family jewels are trying to push their way through the floorboards, and leave it at that. That's 3 minutes now. It's so helpful talking to you guys. Time goes much quicker. Looks like a bumpy bit. Don't want to be losing any loose change. So you look up there, you've got the escarpment flats, you know. I bet we're riding up there because it's the last place I want to go to. Okay, maybe not. Okay, this is steep here. I don't know if it looks it in the video. Okay. I know I keep saying okay, don't I? It's like a statement of determination. Ugh. Ugh. Okay, we are here-ish. There we go. Is that gate open? Keypad? Oh, there it is. I've opened all of it. Looks like I live here. There's the door.
Hey mate.
Hello there. Thanks for the gate number.
No worries.
It's tiny little things like that.
I know. What wonders, don't they?
Well, you know. May I? Oh, cheers.
2022.
That's a good date, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is that the best date?
No. Not too close to Christmas.
Cheers, buddy. There we go, that'll work. Now then, if we can do this.
Alright day for a cycle, isn't it?
Yeah, it's alright. It's
Not too hot, not too cold.
yeah. Said Goldilocks, yeah, it's just right.
Just right.
So, little bag,
Thank you very much.
then bigger bag,
Thank you.
and then your Highland Spring.
Thank you. A legend. Thank you very much.
There you
Have
go,
a
sir.
lovely evening.
And you, see you next time.
See you later.
Cheers. I wonder if he's famous. Let's go before the gate shuts. Oh, fence. Oh. Edit. Let's do my bag. I'm glad to get that weight off my back. That was heavy because it's only the second run for this evening. Okay, I'll bring you back when the next order comes in. Honest Gov. Welcome back. I bring you back for a 14-minuter up north. Now, it's mid-May and it snowed earlier today. So basically I'm just telling you it's freezing. I've got my waterproof jacket on. Despite how it looks, it's bloody freezing. Anyway, right, let's go. We're doing Poole Park. It's only groceries, so we don't have to be in a super hurry. Although they're giving us the challenge of 14 minutes. Let's see if we can shave anything off that. And that's saying I should go. Yeah, I'm not doing that. Come on. Always checking my map. Wimborne Road. Stuck between a bus and a hard place. I reckon I need to be in the other lane anyway. Come on. Uh-oh, inner lane's done. I see why we're playing silly buggers here now. Go for it. Bit of car on car argy-bargy. We just ride out. I feel like we're on our way now. I don't know if you can hear that wind, but my God. It's like the 15th, 14th of May. And that is freezing. I'm sure I'll get warmed up, but oh, back wheel's overtaking his front wheel. Gonna slow down a bit. I'm riding too fast or too hard. It's actually quite a good weight on my back, which is all good fun. Sarky face. It's more of a hill than it looks. Look at that thing. It's like a cut down Morris Minor. It's like a dirty bar of soap. Made from pure goose fat. What am I talking about? Endorphin delirium. Yes, I said earlier, it actually snowed earlier, just now, about an hour ago. I don't think it snowed here, it did where I live, so that's all wet there. I couldn't believe it. I mean, it didn't settle or anything, you know, it sort of melted as soon as it hit the ground. But nevertheless, honestly, it was only a few flakes, but you know, it's raining hard, snowing in May. I don't think I've ever seen that before. Going over here, chance to tighten up the rucksack straps. 8 minutes. It's a mystery machine. You're not fooling me with that spade paint job. What is it they used to say? It's all Mr. Withers, the park owner. Yeah, and I would have pulled it if it wasn't for you meddling kids. Neck, 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 neck. Ah, green means good. Green means go. Actually, that was quite nice having that little sit there. I actually haven't been up to this neck of the woods for a while. I thought I was going to get some japes from those kids. They're usually bored, nowhere to go, nothing to do. They see someone out and about unsupported and they think, yeah, that's a bit of fun. I would have done the same. What comes around goes around, don't it? 4 minutes. Where are we going? Come on, map. Okay, usual route. If I'm not careful or clever, I'll get lumbered in this neck of the woods with orders from Co-op and Tower Park, etc. Don't think I want to do them. Being over here is fine for the work, but it's a long ride home. I'm just thinking out loud, really. I think I'll do this order and go back. Although, of course, it goes beep, 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 you get an order and you have your head turned. Hot tip here really is to join the road. Yeah, good. I can't read it. Gibraltar Road, I think it says. No, it's Gibbon Road. Let's go. That's cheered me up. I thought it's further up than that. Two houses up from Kingsmill. Oh, crumbs. because I need the dough. I need the bread. So that's this one. Where's the door there? Ding dong, hello there. Bear with me, I think we need to do an ID, I'm afraid.
That's right.
So, oh, cheers. Thank you. Done and done, and a 2-digit number if I may. Cheers. I was just thinking how cold it is for May. Where I live, it snowed a bit this afternoon. Or like,
it was a little bit around my work earlier.
yeah, like sleet, you know.
Yeah.
I thought I haven't seen that before. Anyway, something to say while I'm undoing the zips. There you go, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, I shouldn't have said sir. Shouldn't have said sir. I say sir to everybody. I feel like going back and apologising. Idiot. Funny, I'm not happy about that. I call everyone sir. Oh well. Right then, I'll bring you back when the next order comes in. I said I'd bring you back when the new order came in, and it's gone dead. Nothing coming in. So I'm gonna knock it on the head now, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Cheers, Em.